Understanding wireless syncing. A simplified guide. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of wireless syncing. This technology makes our digital lives easier and more interconnected. So, if you've ever wondered how your devices communicate and stay updated without any physical connections, you're in the right place. Wireless syncing refers to the process of updating data across multiple devices without needing a physical cable. Instead, it uses wireless technology like Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Think of it like having an invisible thread that connects your devices, allowing them to share information and stay on the same page. The magic of wireless syncing happens through a network. Your devices connect to the same Wi-Fi or Bluetooth network. Once connected, they can exchange data, such as contacts, calendars, photos, and more. The process is secure and ensures that only your devices can access and share this information. Wireless syncing offers several advantages. Convenience. No more tangled cables or searching for the right connector. Time saving. Data across devices is updated automatically. Efficiency. Access your information on any synced device, anywhere, anytime. You might already be using wireless syncing without realizing it. Common uses include syncing contacts and calendars across your smartphone and computer, streaming music or videos from your phone to a smart TV, backing up photos from your camera to a cloud storage service automatically. Wireless syncing is a powerful tool that makes staying connected to your digital world seamless and hassle-free. Whether you're syncing your calendar for your next meeting or streaming your favorite show, it's all about making technology work for you effortlessly. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this video has shed some light on the wonders of wireless syncing.